Welcome back to your advanced guide to ranch roping. Today we're covering the Contra Del Viento. This is going to be the mirroring shot to the Del Viento. It is going to be a backhand swing and you're going to throw it behind your horse. You can throw this shot with your horse moving or standing, but the calf typically is going to need to be standing still for this one. So when it comes to figuring out kind of where you need to stand, you just need to kind of start throwing it. So some people's go really far to their left, some people's stay like right behind their horse. So just kind of figure that out as you're playing with it. This is going to be a backhand swing here, just like this, right? And then I'm going to drag my loop down, like kind of chamber it here, and then I'm going to push my spoke strand around to the right to get it rotating the opposite way of a Del. And then once it's at a 3/4 rotation, I can kind of let it float into the calf. But the part that was hardest for me to learn was the actually chambering my elbow and my forearm here, dragging the weight of that loop around, getting that tip up and going to the right. But this is what that is going to look like here. That is, didn't expect that to go that good. That's fantastic. So another way you'll see guys throwing it is their horse walking behind the calf, which you got to have a pretty broke calf to do this, but it'll look kind of like this. That was beautiful. So that's what the walk-in version is going to look like. You just want to keep troubleshooting those shots as you're practicing them. Remember, guys, that's probably one of the hardest shots in ranch roping. Don't get frustrated with yourself. Just practice it a little bit and then go on to the next thing. It took me about a year to figure out how to throw that shot, even 30%. And I'm probably still in that 30% range, 30 to 50% range as far as a catch percentage on that shot. You're not going to use it a ton, but it is a cool shot to know how to throw. Guys, if you like content like this, you need to check out 310edu.com. Use code YouTube50 to get 50% off your entire first month.